With time, we develop a taste for beauty, convenience, and quality. We refuse to settle, because refusing to settle drives change, innovation, and charts new paths for a better quality of life. Now, with Trust Care's Let's Fly Rollator from Standard, you don't have to settle. With an elegant design and meticulous attention to detail, the Let's Fly Rollator is the most stylish rollator on the market. With a sports car-like design, the seamless hydroformed aluminum gives it a sleek and luxurious look. And it comes in 4 different colors: red, white, beige, and gray. The built-in suspension and large 9.5-inch front wheels can navigate bumps and curbs with ease, and the back fenders prevents dirt and water from flipping up onto your clothes. The back legs also offer an inner soft spring system for a smooth and enjoyable ride. The large fabric bag allows you to store groceries and other handy items close by, and can be used as a handbag when removed. Locking handbrakes allows you to stop safely and sit in its comfortable seat when you need a rest. And then when you're ready to go, the lightweight design folds in seconds for easy and effortless traveling, and can stand by itself out of the way when not in use. For a customized fit, the handles can be adjusted in height with the touch of a button. It can support up to 350 pounds, and like all of our rollators, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. When it comes to the things we use every day, some things aren't worth compromising. And now, with the Trust Care Let's Fly Rollator from Standard, you can move through life with style.